In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders to share with your team in Canva. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your team's collaboration by organizing and sharing design assets efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the home page. On the left-hand side menu, you will see several options. Look for and click on Projects. This is where you can manage all of your designs and folders. Once you're in the project section, your next step is to click on the Add New button. This button allows you to create new designs, upload content, or as we'll do today, establish a new folder. By organizing your projects into folders, you can sort and manage them better, especially when working with multiple or large-scale projects. After clicking Add New, you will see several options. Here, you'll want to select Folder. By creating folders, you can group related designs, making it easier for your team to find and collaborate on specific projects. It's like creating a dedicated workspace for various tasks. Now, it's time to name your folder. Consider a name that's intuitive and relevant to the projects or topics that the designs inside will cover. This way, when you and your team are working together, you'll each instantly understand what to expect inside. After naming your folder, click on Continue to proceed. Next, open the folder you just created. You'll want to populate it with some of your existing designs to kick things off. Within the folder, click on Add Designs. This feature lets you bring in all the specific content you need your team to work on. Once you click Add Designs, you'll be presented with a list of your projects. Navigate to your projects and browse through your designs, choosing the ones you'd like to move into the new folder. Select as many as needed. This is a great way to ensure that everyone associated with the folder can access your curated content without searching through individual files. After selecting your designs, the next step is to click Move. This action transfers the selected designs into your newly created folder, making them accessible and organized for your team. With your folder ready and populated, the final step is sharing it with your team. Click on the Share button within the folder. Here you will be prompted to enter your team members' email addresses. Make sure you use the correct emails to ensure everyone gets access promptly. Once you've entered the necessary emails, you simply click Share Folder and voila! Your team now has access to the folder and its contents. By following these steps, you've efficiently set up a shared folder in Canva, enhancing your team's ability to collaborate and innovate together. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating and sharing your designs.